Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to day 3 of this motor build. It's pretty late in the day. It's actually just about 10 o'clock at night. I was pretty busy today moving, but I did get some time to work on this thing. I finished up torquing my timing cover here, and now I'm going to get started on putting the valve cover on. We're going to put some pulleys back onto it. We're going to do the water pump. I can't remember what the water pump thermal dongle. We may even end up getting to some injectors tonight. Like I said, it's already pretty late, but I'm going to get as much as I can get done tonight. So, here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's the 10 crack commandments. Wow. Man can't tell me nothing about this coke. Can't tell me nothing about this crack, this weed, and my hustling niggas. Niggas on the corner, I ain't forget you niggas. My triple B niggas.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I've been in this game for years. It made me an animal. It's rules to this shit. I wrote me a manual, a step-by-step booklet for you to get your game on track. Not your wig pushed back. Rule number uno. Never let no one know how much dough you hold. Cause you know that try to breed jealousy, especially if that man fucked up. Get your ass stuck up. Number 2, never let them know your next move. Don't you know bad boys move in silence and violence? Take it from your highness. I done squeeze mad clips at these cats for they bricks and chips. Number 3, never trust nobody. Your mama set that ass up, properly gassed up. Hoodie the masked up. For that fast buck, she be laying
Hey, alright. Doctor's done.
this before. Never get high on your own supply. Number 5, never sell no crack where you rest at. I don't care if they want an ounce, tell them bounce. Number 6, that goddamn credit, get it. You think a crackhead paying you back, shit, forget it. 7, this rule is so underrated. Keep your family and business completely separated. Money and blood don't mix like 2 dicks.
Thank you, Erik.
Find yourself in serious shit. Number 8, never keep no.
You ever blow your motor and you gotta take the entire thing apart? Don't do what I did. Wait until you go to put the motor back together before you clean everything that you took off. Do it beforehand. Be smarter than me. Well, better.
Cause they gon' want their money, rain, sleet, hell, snow. Follow these rules, you'll have mad bread to break up. If not, 24 years on the wake up. Slug hit your temple, watch your frame shake up. Caretaker did your makeup. When you pass, your girl fucked my man Jacob. Heard in 3 weeks, she sniffed the whole half a cake up. Heard she suck a good dick and could hook a steak up.
I think this is
More pies to bake up. Word up. Crack king, Frank Wizard.
Alright. Water pump. Where do you go? This way. Good. Right, water pump bolts go in at 11 Newton meters, or 16 inch-pounds, whichever you prefer.
Come on. Ha, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage off instinct. Niggas don't think shit stink. Pink gators. My Detroit players. Tim's for my hooligans.
Okay, so the bolts that hold on the pump for the water pulley, pulley, go in at 23 Newton meters.
us, wanna do us, screw us, who us? Yeah, Papa and Puff. Close like Starsky and Hutch, stick to clutch. Yeah, I squeeze 3 at your cherry M3. Bang every MC easily. Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just keep my peace, keep my peace.
I'm going to put the thermostat. You always do when you take apart a motor. Bolts, bag, label. Remember.
Guess that's why they're broken. You're so biggie, biggie, biggie. Can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. Guess that's why they're broken. You're so
This is going to be my last part for the evening. Okay, 10 nude mirror.
Every cutie with the booty boy the coochie. Now who's the real dookie? Meaning who's really the shit? Them niggas ride dicks. Frank White pushed the 6 or the Lexus LX 4.5. Bulletproof glass tints if I want some ass. Gon' blast squeeze first, ask questions last. That's how most of these so-called gangsters pass. At last, a nigga rapping about blunts and broad.
Yeah, well, on that note, I am going to call it an evening for this. Have a good night, guys.